Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on binary numbers. In this video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction. So we start with the first problem. Problem 1. Evaluate each of the following addition in binary numbers. We have A and B. So we start with problem 1A. We have 101110 base 2 plus 11101 base 2. So we arrange the numbers in block form where the last digit will correspond with the last digit of the first number. The second to the last digit will correspond with the second to the last digit of the second number in that order. So we then add digit by digit starting from the last digit. 0 plus 1 gives 1. 1 plus 0 gives 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2. We cannot have 2 as a digit in binary numbers. What we do is to convert that 2 to base 2. That's to binary numbers. So we have 2 divided by 2. This is the base. That gives 1 remainder 0. We're going to carry the 1 and write 0. So we write 0 and carry 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives 3. Also, we cannot get 3 as a digit in binary numbers. So we divide the 3 by 2 and it gives 1 remainder 1. So we carry this one and write this one. So we have the 1 here and carry 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 1 gives 2. So again, we still go ahead with this. So we're writing 0 and carry 1. And the same way, 1 plus 1 will still give us 2. We write 0 and carry 1. Since there is nothing to be added to this one, we return the 1. And that gives the sum of 101110 base 2 plus 11101 base 2 as 1001011 base 2. So that's all for problem 1A. We then go to 1B. For 1B, we have 110111 base 2 plus 1010101 base 2. So again, we are arranging in block form, still maintaining the last digit corresponding with the last digit of the two numbers. The second to the last correspond the third, the fourth, and so on. Now we are going to add digit by digit starting from the last digit. So 1 plus 1 gives 2. We divide by 2. It gives 1 remainder 0. We carry the 1 and write 0. So we have 0 here and carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The same way, we write 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. We write 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives 3. So we cannot have 3 also, so we divide 3 by 2. 1 remainder 1. So we carry 1 and write 1. So we write this 1 and carry 1. So 1 plus 0 gives 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2. So we write 0 and carry 1. So this 1 plus 1 again is giving us 2. We still write 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 gives 2. We write 0, carry 1. So that one will now be brought down here to give our final answer of the summation to be 10000110000 base 2. That's all for problem 1B, and then the entire problem 1. We then go to problem 2. For problem 2, evaluate each of the following subtraction in binary numbers. Again, we are starting with A. We also arranged like we did in addition. The last digit corresponding with the last digit of the second number, the second to the last, and so on. We then carry out the subtraction. We cannot say 0 minus 1 in this case. So what we do is we borrow this one, we'll be left with 0. That one we borrow because it is in base 2, it is going to be 2. So that we can then say 2 minus 1 gives 1. Then 0 minus 0 gives 0. 1 minus 1 gives 0. 1 minus 1 gives 0. So again, we cannot say 0 minus 1. We borrow this one. We'll be left with 0. That one you borrowed, because it is base 2, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 gives 1, base 2. So from here, the 2a has been solved. We go to 2b. We have 101,001 base 2 minus 101,111 base 2. The same arrangement. The last digit correspond with the last digit, second to the last digit, third to the last digit, and so on. So we then carry out to the subtraction. So 1 minus 1 gives 0. We can't say 0 minus 1. We borrowed 1 from this 1. You'll be left with 2. Take it to this. So we borrow 1 from this 2. That's going to give us the remaining 1. Then the 1 we borrowed is now 2. 2 minus 1 gives 1. Now 1 minus 1 gives 0. 0 minus 0 gives 0. We are going to borrow 1 from here. We'll be left with 0. So we are now having 2 minus 1 giving us 1. And that's all for the solution of problem 2. This is the highest we can take in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Until we come your way again, goodbye.